Okay, welcome to Stephen Follows Instructions. As you can see, I have ChatGPT on my screen. It's broken. So I'm going to try to use Claude Code. Do I know what I'm doing? No, I don't. That's the whole point. So I'm going to look up Claude Code and follow instructions. And that's what I'm going to do. Claude Code by Anthropic. Heard lots of good things. Now I've got a bunch of stuff on the go here. I won't get into that just now. And nothing from Claude Code. What's going on with my computer today? You know what? Can I pause? Okay. That's really weird that it did that. I don't want to read the latest news. I'll accept all cookies. I guess it was just waiting for me to move my mouse or click or something. All right, get Claude Code. VS Code. That would be ideal, right? Let's do one thing at a time. So let's get Claude Code. Okay, I see. Let's try on the web first. We'll continue. Okay, we'll accept the cookies. Okay. All right, so I'm logged into Anthropic or Claude with Google. And now, get Claude Code. Click here. Oh, click here. IRM, I don't know what that means. On the web. Clicked on the web. Oh, I see. Welcome to Claude Code. It's a terminal. All right, never mind. Let's try VS Code. See what it says. Claude Code for VS Code. I'm going to say accept again. Okay, so new to Claude Code. Yes, but okay, this is the terminal. Work with Claude directly in your terminal. Copy it or read the documentation, I guess. Get started. Choose your environment to get started. Most services require a Claude subscription or Anthropic console account. Okay. Terminal. This works in your terminal. Oh, I see. Or Windows PowerShell or Windows Command. And then start Claude Code in any project. Gotcha. And then VS Code. Install for VS Code. Okay. Use Claude Code everywhere. Each surface connects to the same underlying Claude Code. So your settings and MCP servers work across all of them. Was this page helpful? Not really, but let's try installing it for VS Code. Open link. Okay. Let's install it. Install. Trust Publisher. Now what? Let's close this. Okay. It's not going to say anything to me about how to use it. Features. This could be a lot more intuitive. This extension is enabled in the remote extension host because it prefers to run there. Okay. Oh, Claude Code open. Ah, here we go. That could have been clearer. How do you want to log in? Let's try. Yeah, we'll open the external website. Max or Pro is required to connect to Claude Code. I see. So I've been using the free version. $24 per month billed annually. Well, that's kind of expensive. Ugh. Ugh. What is it monthly? Let's try 1 month worth. Still pretty expensive. Okay. Enter the code. I assume this is it. 4789. Okay. And let's just move this off here while I do this. Still working on it. Welcome to Pro. Okay. Alright, now we're back to this. Authorize. I can close this window. Okay. And we'll go back here. Claude Code. Switch back in settings. Okay. Ask Claude to edit. Ask before it edits. Okay. Ask before it edits. Edit automatically. Plan mode. Ask before it edits. That's okay. You will ask before you change anything, right? Marinating. Frolicking. Thinking. Creating. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Can you read the files I have open? Herding. Look at caddy file and tell me what you see. Wibbling. Okay. Accomplishing. It's a little slow, isn't it? Crunching. Cooking. Okay, here we go. multiple domains, yeah. Sophisticated or special redirector endpoint, nuke site. Yeah, okay. Now, can you look at files in a directory if I'd like you to look at srv www.ple.nuke.ca. Found 89 files. Celebrating. Or celebrating. Yeah, thinking. Wibbling. Okay, see what you've studied. All right. Okay. So I want to set up the Python application in we'll do the easy one first and see how it goes. Python application in KV store, no, not KV store, the easy one, OPML to JSON. As a stand alone app stored in apps, SRV apps, OPML to JSON. So that it can be served in its own container from its own domain name. Let's see what it says. Now I know what I want to do. Let's see if it knows what it wants to do. I can help you. Okay, so it's going to look at the files. The main application is in hello.py, as I recall. I see this is a Flask app that converts OPML files to JSON, fetches RSS feeds, and provides paginated results. Okay. Ask user question. What domain name? Use the domain already referenced in yes. We'll use that. Move. Full Docker setup. All right, let's see. This is frightening because I'm working on live code here on a live site. Okay, here we go. I'll set up OPML to JSON, yes, with domain, okay. Create a new directory, yep. Move all the files. Fix requirements text to include all the dependencies, yeah. Create a Docker file, Create a compose. Update wsgi.py. py. Add the configuration. Demo test page. Okay. Leave it. Proceed with this plan. Okay, let's see what it does. This would be pretty cool if it worked. Allow this bash command. Make dir. Yes. So we should see that show up. Yep, there it is. Move all the applications. Yes. There they are. Make this edit. Yes. Create a Docker file. All right, so from Python, run with Gunicorn. I don't know what that is, but that looks good to me. Okay, it's gonna edit this to fix the hard-coded paths. Oh yeah, okay. All right. This might run still. We'll see. Create Docker Compose. Effecting. This Docker network. Oh yeah, it needs to find a shared network. It'll be www, won't it? Web, rather, yeah. Yes. So it's connecting to the web network, which is what proxy caddy uses. And now we'll update the caddy file. Make this edit to caddy file. Yes. I think that'll work. Reticulating splines. Okay, so it's done all that. That was pretty fast overall, even though it seems to take a lot of time thinking. Okay, to deploy. Okay. Then restart caddy to pick up the new configuration. Docker compose restart. Yeah, it's gonna. I see what it's gonna do. Yes, deploy it now. Now I'm going to have to change the DNS. So this is the right URL. That's in Downs. So we're going to go back up here. It's mooc.ca. Ooh, where's downs.ca? I think that's in here. I'm going to have to move downs.ca over as well. Okay, cPanel. It punted me. The login is not invalid. It always does this. Stupid. Client area login. We have to go through the slow way. Come on. Let's see what you've done meanwhile while I've been away. Yes. So it's building the container. Allow this Docker compose command not found. All right. Docker compose up. All right. Restart caddy proxy. I like seeing it do this stuff too. All right. Meanwhile, how's our login going over here? Is this it? Nope. Nope. Login. Here we go. So slow, Reclaim, so slow. Okay, you can test it by visiting opml to json.downs.ca. Well, not yet, because the domain name needs to be up. All right, here we go. We're in cPanel and zone editor, downs.ca. See, there's the main one, but now I need to have the other one, wherever it is. Filter by name, opml. There it is, edit. And save record. Now, I'd like to test for that. Let's open a terminal. And I'm doing this because I forget it. The command dig, right? So it's opml to json.downs.ca. That's correct. Okay. All right, now we'll come back to Claude. The original test page should work once you update its API URL references, if needed. Okay, so opml to JSON. Let's just, yeah, here we go. It's here. It's located here. So I'll copy that, paste it. Okay. Network error when using this input URL. Load next page. No. Test opml. Let's try that. Okay, well, that's a simple sample RSS feed. Okay, so that's good. Fetching data from. All right, let's now let's really test Claude. I got this error. Yeah, go ahead, curl it. Allow this command. Yep. Exec failed, unable to start something. Okay, let's see what he says. You see the issue. Caddy is trying to obtain an SSL certificate. The Acme challenge is failing. They all have specific handlers. I need to update the Caddy configuration. Create directory for Acme challenges. Yes. That's very good. Okay. Yes. So already this is better than what ChatGPT was doing. We'll restart it. Okay. Check and see if Acme challenge succeeds. I wish these weren't like that, but allow this bash command. Okay, we're going to test. See if that works. Yes, it did work. I can see that here. All right. So, okay, my verdict so far. It's doing more, but I'm learning less. Although, you know. Okay, so let's try again with my sample page. Which was, no, that's not it. I've lost the page I was working with. Let's close a few of these windows. Okay, secure connection failed. Is this it? No. No. All this is just me trying to find my original page that I was working with. Client area, probably, okay, panel. Oh, where did, oh, there it is. It was at the very end. Aha! And it worked beautifully. Okay, great. Now let's make this into a GitHub repository. Let's see if Claude can do that for me. I would like this application, i.e. v apps DML to JSON to be created as a GitHub repository and uploaded here. Let's see if it actually builds my repo for me. Okay. Yeah. Public. Yeah. So it's actually going to write a README, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay, first of all, the git ignore file, of course. Yeah. All of that stuff, Flask stuff. Very good. Way better than I can write one. Create README with project documentation. Probably adjust this window a bit. Very good. Yes. Initialize Git repository. And Git init, yes. Okay. Create initial commit. Stage all the files for commit. And now git commit. Okay, and that's just the documentation for the initial commit. Yep. GitHub repo create. Oh, doesn't have a GH. A few options. Provide GitHub username recommended. What is your GitHub username? Well, that's a good question. I believe it's just Downs, isn't it? Yeah. Downs. Yes. Rename branch to name. Yes. Finally, we're going to push the code to GitHub. All right, go to the repository. Okay. All right, so we'll do that. Copy link. So we'll go to the repository. Paste and go. Oh, it was right there. Okay, well, I'll just close that. New repository, repository name, OPML to JSON, and then the description. So OPML to JSON. OPML to JSON already exists in this account. That's the problem. So let's go. What we're gonna do, because we know it works, we have a working version, we're gonna go back home, back to my repositories, and we're gonna remove this somehow. Okay. Let's see what it says. Okay, let's see what it says. Push the code now. Okay. This bash command, it's a list command, so okay, I think we're all right. Okay. Okay. Rejected. Some existing content. Let's pull and merge it first. Okay. Pull and merge with a no rebase. Okay. Oh, look at the changes. There are merge conflicts. This remote repository has the original versions. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And now it'll, so he merged it. Now what I wonder is, does my code still work? Well, we'll test it here in just a second. It should still work. So let's test. Try it again. And it worked. Beauty. That is impressive. So, what have I done? I have added OPML to JSON to my list of apps, and that added it as well to, so it's down here as well because there needs to be a place for the well-known to land. I don't see anything there, but I need that directory just for static files. And ple.ca.mooc.ca is still here, so I can remove this now. And I'll just do that, I think. Well, let's test. Okay. Let's now remove. srv www ple.mooc.ca opml to JSON. So they now live in separate repositories. Okay. Checking. Move the demo page and remove the directory. Aha. Good point. That should remain accessible. Let's move it to the root directory. Oh, was it still sitting in? Oops, not here. Yes. Oh yeah, there it is right there. Okay. Yep. Allow this. Yep. This is much more trustworthy than ChatGPT. Okay, demo page now has moved. So let's go. So we don't need it in this directory anymore. Yeah, oh, that was fast. Okay, and now it's gone, right? Yes. So that's a pretty good demonstration of what Claude Code can do. So I think I'll stop here with this episode. I'm really impressed by that. And I'll move some of these other applications and set them up as their own Python containers. Worth noting, so here's the Python container that was created with the wsgi.py as the server, test OPML page, and I could use any OPML on it. OPML to JSON, README. That's the original, that's the README that I had originally created for it, and I much prefer this one anyways. If you want to change the script from whatever it is to this. Okay, very good. I think we're good. I may need to adapt a little bit to make it work, but correct endpoint, input OPML URL. So I may need to be able to pick up like the request. But when that happens, I'll take care of it. All right, that's it for this episode then. So thanks for joining me for my first experience with Claude Code.